Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us this afternoon. I would like to use this opportunity today for a short update on the Payroll Protection Program as part of the CARES Act. Today was the first day that businesses were allowed to present applications to their banks. Banks were completely unprepared to accept the flood of applications. Bank of America has reported that they received 10,000 applications within the first hour, and by the end of the day, the applications had grown phenomenally. The Small Business Administrator has reported that over 17,000 applications had been processed today, amounting to over $5.3 billion in requests. We do not know how many of these have been accepted. We do know that a confirmation number is being sent to those who have applied under the EIDL Act for the FAST $10,000 portion. We have some news on that was announced this morning. The previously announced 0.5% interest rate has been increased to 1%, based upon the fact that the banks felt that they needed at least that amount to process and complete the loans. So that's one of the things that was in today's update. There is also some question about whether churches will be able to apply or be able to receive the paycheck loans. There's already a suit by some of the other organizations claiming that the separation of church and state is being violated by giving these loans out. Currently, the Secretary Munchin has indicated that the statute is clear and that 501c3 organizations may apply and may receive funds. So this is something to keep watching. Another matter of concern is that new guidance has come out, although it is not definitive, that when you're calculating your payroll base, you may not include fringe benefits. That would include health insurance, which is the big one, and that 1099 workers and guaranteed pay for my partnership would not count. Guaranteed pay is the method that partnerships and limited liability companies pay their partners, and if this is not counted, it would drastically reduce the amount of money that would go into the payroll base for calculating the amount that can be borrowed. We'll keep an eye on these things and let you know about them. In a different matter, I would like to mention that there are some scams going on. We have been notified by a couple of the banks and asked to pass along that if you are contacted by telephone and told that your SBA loan is being approved and please provide your account number, that you should be very skeptical, find out if it's the same case number, take a look and see who's calling, perhaps suggest that you will call back. All of the things that you would do for identity theft. The scammers are here. The other place that they are working hard is on the stimulus payments, which are scheduled to start on Monday. If someone calls and it tells you they can help you get either an SBA loan or a stimulus package, you should be very skeptical. The stimulus payments will be coming out automatically, and no one could really help you maneuver that and get it out faster, nor should they be able to charge you a fee to get it. However, like always, when the scammers are there, they're asking you for your bank account information, your name, your social security number, something so that they can get into the bank account, and they're using the excuse of being able to be sure that your stimulus money will arrive as quickly as possible. Be aware that this is happening. Thank you very much, and we'll have something more for you tomorrow.